Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Harley Davidson Street Bob. FXDB, 103 cubic inch V-twin. It's got the high-rise handlebars, only 23,000 miles on this awesome, cool Street Bob. Come on by, make your Harley Davidson dreams come true with this really beautiful satin black Street Bob. This bike's not going to be here long. It's priced to sell just $12,499. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh, yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.